2 jars included for versatile blending. A 40 ounces glass blender jar and 20 ounces travel jar with to-go lid are included, making it easy to blend drinks for every occasion. A flip-top lid fits right on the personal blending jar, making it easy to blend and run. Full function, intuitive controls. Wave Crusher blenders have all the power and functionality you need to make smoothies, shakes, icy drinks and more. 4 simple buttons clearly indicate which function each is designed to perform. 800 watts of peak blending power. Powerful kitchen blender motor lets you masterfully mix, puree, blend, grind and crush ice with smooth results. 6 blending functions with pulse. Get the perfect consistency for whatever it is you're making. 6 blender functions include mix, milkshake, puree, smoothie, icy drink and crush ice, plus pulse. Ice crushing stainless steel blades. These stainless steel blades can handle everything from ice to bulky frozen fruits, making it the perfect blender for shakes and smoothies.